Hello students. Now next topic is oxidation by strong oxidizing agents. What are the strong oxidizing agents? That is first one is KMnO4 in the presence of H plus or OH minus or heat. That means acidic medium or basic medium. That is potassium permanganate. Second one is potassium dichromate, that is K2Cr2O7 in the presence of acidic hydrogen, that is also acidic medium. So both reagents are student, these both reagents are playing same. These both reagents are playing same. That means these both reagents are giving same type of product will be produced. That is first one is strong oxidizer is that is potassium permanganate, and the second one is potassium dichromate. These both are strong oxidizer. This is both are strong oxidizer. It can oxidize. First one should I will discuss one by one. Should it can oxidize, that is alcohols. It can oxidize, that is alcohols. It can oxidize, that is alcohols. And second one, it can oxidize, that is aldehyde groups also. And it can oxidize, that is keto groups also. It can oxidize, that is keto group also. And next one, student, it can oxidize, that is alkenes also. That means it can oxidize, that is alkenes. And it can oxidize, one second, it can oxidize, that is alkynes also. Student, it can oxidize, that is alkynes, that is C. Alkenes means C double bond C and C triple bond C. And one more, student, that is it can oxidize, that is alkyl benzene, that is alkyl benzene, that is CH3 group. It can oxidize, that is alkyl benzene also. These are the important properties of strong oxidizing agent. Student, this strong oxidizing agent, that is potassium permanganate or acidic medium or basic medium, or potassium dichromate in acidic medium. These both reagents can oxidize, that is alcohols and acid group, alcohols and aldehydes and ketones and alkenes and alkynes and aromatic side chain, that hydrocarbons, aromatic hydrocarbons. That means methyl benzene, ethyl benzene, like that. Student, this first one we will discuss one by one. Student, first one, now take the this alcohol. Student, first one, that is alcohol. These alcohols are classified into three types, that is primary alcohols, secondary alcohols and tertiary alcohols. Student, first one we will take the first one, primary alcohols. Primary alcohols examples, that is CH3, then CH2OH, primary alcohols, that is ethyl alcohol. When ethyl alcohol react with KMnO4, that is potassium permanganate in the presence of acidic medium, or K2Cr2O7, these both reagents are act as strong oxidizer. We can take anyone. KMnO4 or K2Cr2, both are in acidic medium. We get that it gives, that is first step. In this first step is aldehyde gives. This in this first step is this alcohol is converted into aldehyde. Then further steps, again next step, again oxidation. That means O means that is oxidation. In the presence of KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7, it gives acid, that is CH3COOH. This is a simple trick. You remember, student, primary alcohols on oxidation with KMnO4 to give final product is acid will be formed, that is acetic acid will be formed. Student, primary alcohols on oxidation to give acid, you remember. Now second one, student, now take the secondary alcohol, student, that is secondary alcohol CH3CHOH, then CH3. When secondary alcohol in the presence of KMnO4 in the presence of acidic hydrogen, or K2Cr2O7 by H plus, we can take any one, student. Out of these two, we should take any one. This product will be same, that is this secondary alcohol is converted into the secondary alcohols on oxidation to give ketones. Secondary alcohols on oxidation to give ketones. This is the second one, student. Primary alcohols on oxidation to give acid. Secondary alcohols on oxidation with KMnO4 to give ketones, that is acetone. Then next third one, student, that is tertiary alcohols. When tertiary alcohol CH3COH, then CH3, then CH3 in the presence of KMnO4 in the presence of acidic hydrogen, what happens, student? That is no effect. You remember, so it is very most important. So tertiary alcohols cannot react with KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7 in the presence of acidic hydrogen. You remember, student? primary alcohols on oxidation to give acids, secondary alcohols on oxidation with KMnO4 to give ketones, and tertiary alcohols oxidation with KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7. There is no effect, means there is no reaction in this. These are the normal condition. You remember, sir, these three reactions are in the presence of normal condition. In this case, student, this is specific condition. The exception case is, student, when tertiary alcohols, in tertiary alcohols in the presence of vigorous condition, that means high temperature and high pressure. When tertiary alcohols in the presence of vigorous condition, that means high temperature and high pressure, it gives, that is mixed, it gives mixed acids will be formed. You remember, student, tertiary alcohols in this normal condition, that means KMnO4 in the acidic hydrogen or K2Cr2O7, there is no effect. But in special condition, that is height, in the presence of high temperature and high pressure, it gives mixed acid will be formed. So this is very most important. So just generally tertiary alcohols are do not give, there is no effect of tertiary alcohols are no effect in the presence of KMnO4 and K2Cr2O7, but in specific condition, that high temperature and high pressure, it gives mixed acid will be formed. So you remember, these are the oxidation of alcohols, and there is primary alcohols, secondary alcohols and tertiary alcohols. And one more, next one, student, that is this KMnO4. This KMnO4, when KMnO4 act as strong oxidizing agent, it can oxidize, that is aldehyde group also. Next one, that is second one is aldehyde group. Aldehyde group example CH3CHO, that means acetaldehyde. When acetaldehyde oxidized with KMnO4 in the presence of acidic hydrogen, it gives, that is acid. CH3COH. This is very most important, student. Now first one is alcohol is completed, student. Now second one is aldehydes. When aldehydes are oxidized with KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7 to give acid, that is acetaldehyde. Example is acetaldehyde oxidized with KMnO4 to give acid. And second one, student, that is ketones also. When ketones, CH example is ketone example, I will take acetone. I am taking acetone group. When acetone react with KMnO4 in the presence of acidic medium, KMnO4 in the presence of acidic medium, it is also giving two types of acid will be produced. Student, we remember, student, this unsymmetrical carbon, student. Here this bond cleavage here, student, this bond cleavage here, two carbons are there, left hand side 1 2. So this CH3COH, it gives CH3COH. One is acetic acid, plus this methyl group also can oxidize it with KMnO4. You remember, student, this right side is methyl group is there, left hand side CH3CO group is there. This CH3CO group oxidized to form acetic acid, and right hand side one methyl group is there. This methyl group also oxidized with KMnO4, it gives, that is formic acid, HCOOH is formed, student. This overall reaction, student, when acetaldehyde, that means aldehydes oxidized with KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7 to give, that is acidic acid will be formed, student. If we take the ketones means acetone. When acetone react with KMnO4 in the presence of acidic hydrogen, it gives two types of acids will be formed, that is one is acetic acid, another one is formic acid. It is also very most important, student. This is the properties of that is KMnO4 and K2Cr2O7, student. KMnO4 acts as strong oxidizer. It can oxidize alcohols, that is primary alcohol, secondary alcohols, tertiary alcohol. Primary alcohols on oxidation to give acid, secondary alcohols on oxidation to give ketones, but tertiary alcohols do not oxidize it with KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7 in the presence of normal condition, but in specific condition, that means high temperature and high pressure, tertiary alcohols in the presence of high temperature and high pressure, it gives mixed acid will be formed. So it is very most important, student. Now next one is when aldehydes also react with KMnO4 in the presence of acidic hydrogen to give acids. This aldehyde group is converted into acids, and ketone groups also. This ketone group means acetone. Ketone groups oxidized with KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7. It gives, that is mixed acid will be formed, student, that is When example, now take the acetone. When acetone react with KMnO4 in the presence of acidic medium or K2Cr2O7, out of these two we should take any one reagent. These both reagents are strong oxidizer, so it can oxidize that aldehydes to give acids. It ketones also oxidize to give two types of product will be produced, that is acetic acid and another one is formic acid. This is a simple trick, student. If you like my video, please like, share and comments, and thanks for watching, student. If you like my video, please click on like. Please don't forget, student, please click on like and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you, students. I will make one more video for, that is oxidation of alkenes and alkenes and alkynes. I will make one more video, that is next video, student. That is, thank you.